With the meaning of understanding the equal sign, it starts conceptually with this left side is the same as the right side. So when students work with this, in the younger grades, they are working with same as. That same as turns into a symbol, which is equal. So when we treat it as that this means the same as, students can understand that process. Here we have 4 is the same as 4. And then these move away. And now we can prove again that 4 is the same as 4. Cards are really good because it gives students the ability to see conceptually still without having to use the actual manipulative here. These become our manipulative, and then it has the abstract number, which, believe it or not, the number 4 alone by itself is very abstract. So this next part is working with cards or dice to just, during warm-up, see if these are the same. 5 is not the same as 2. So we might write that as 5 is not equal to 2 because it is not the same as. 4 is not the same as 3. 6 is not the same as 3. So continue that for just during warm-ups, whatnot, and then you could take this into a game format. You could play it whole class versus the teacher. I like to play it in partners with students. So what a student would do is they would roll the dice and then they would record all of their findings. 6 is not equal to 4. And I want them to use that language. That language is very important. If they get it again, great. Have them do it this way. That's why dice are so beautiful. You can move them around. We're still keeping the numbers. 6 is not equal to 4, and 4 is also not equal to 6. That allows for great conversation when that kind of thing happens. 6 is not equal to 5. And so students continue to go and they continue to write, and then we get 1 where they're equal. 1 is equal to 1. And I like to have students circle this so that way this one stands out. Now you could play for points if you want. Maybe players can play the best roll out of 20 or for a certain amount of times. This would be worth a point, or whoever gets to 5 points first, whichever one you want. All right. This is just a fun way. 6 does not equal to get that language in. And that is what we want students to really understand the meaning of the equal sign with that language. All right, enjoy.